Welcome guys to my new video. A lot of people requested for this video. Now is finally out. Check this out. This phone is only showing charging light. It's not turning on. It's not even showing charging. It's not even adding percent. My dear technician, apart from the charging light, no other thing in this phone is working. My dear technician, today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process on how you can fix this. Without time wasted, let me start the video. My dear technician, welcome back. My name is Father Joe. I'm the owner, I'm the CEO of Father Joe Phone Repairs. My dear technician, one of my customers brought this phone to me and told me that this phone is not turning on. This phone is not showing charging. This phone is only showing charging light when you plug charger. Check this out. Check this out. I want you guys to see the proof. Check this out. The phone is only showing charging light. It's not doing any other thing apart from showing the charging light. Today's video, I will show you step by step on how you can be able to fix this issue. My dear technician, I'm going to take my time to troubleshoot. I know a lot of us technicians, we don't know how to troubleshoot. So I'm going to take my time to troubleshoot. Make sure you watch this video, don't skip, so that you will learn how to troubleshoot and finally fix the issue. My dear technician, check this out. This is the phone PCB. Check this out. You can see. Check this out. According to my customer, he told me that they have already worked on the phone trying to fix the issue, but all proof abortive. They could not be able to know the exactly problem, the exactly causes, and how to fix the issue. My dear technician, according to my customer, he told me that they think it is screen and they change the screen, it's not still working. They try all means to make sure that the phone works, but all proof abortive. The next thing is for me to use my DC power supply to test the PCB. You all know that my DC power supply works like magic. I will use it now to test this phone and you guys will see the problem of this phone live proof. My dear technician, please make sure you don't skip this video so that you will learn a lot. My dear technician, you can see I'm trying to fix things in order, so please wait. Okay, now on my DC power supply you can see 4.2 volt, so that is the volt I set. For the amps I use 2 amps. Okay, so I want to connect the negative now to the phone PCB. Check this out. I'm holding the positive. Check this out. First of all, I want to check if there is any short circuit. Okay, very important. Check this out. I check there's no short circuit. You can see voltage flows in. There is no short circuit. There is no short circuit. You can see there is no short circuit. My dear technician, the next thing is for me to go deeply and check. Check this out. So let me fix the PCB to the board, to the phone panel. Let me fix it and check if there is output voltage. Okay, and check if there is output voltage in the battery connector. Let me do that now. I want to be sure there is output voltage. Check this out. This is my multimeter. I will set it to 20 volts. I want to check and be sure there is 4.2 volts. I mean there is output that goes into the battery. I will plug charger first. Check this out. Let me plug charger. Now let me test. Check this out. Check this out. My dear technician, to fix this type of issue is very simple. You don't need to stress yourself. Check this out. Let me test it for you guys to see live proof. You can see we don't have voltage here. You can see we don't have voltage here. You can see 0. We don't have voltage here. My dear technician, I check if the charging light is still showing. You can see it's still showing. I connect battery. I try turning on the phone. My dear technician, it's not turning on. Check this out. It's not turning on. Check this out. My dear technician, since it's not turning on, the next thing is for me to get the heatsink removed. So let me remove the heatsink now. Check this out. My dear technician, check this out. I take my time to do this. Please take your time to do this. If you have any question, please let me know. If you have any question concerning this, please let me know. Check this out. I will be done. I'll be done. Just turn on my blower. Check this out. Make sure you apply paste. Check this out. Check this out. I'll be done. Check this out. If you have any question, you're free, let me know. I will get all the heatsink removed so that I'll be able to detect the fault. It's not easy. What I'm doing now is called troubleshooting. By the technician. I call it troubleshooting. Check this out. So the heatsink is removed. You can see the heatsink is removed perfectly. No issue, no damage. So this particular area of the heatsink that I just removed is for network. You can see we have network IC and other IC. So let me get this one removed too. I'll get all the heatsink removed. I want to check deeply and know the fault and know the reason why the phone is not turning on and why the phone is not charging. There's no physical damage. As you can see, there's no physical damage. So I'm taking my time to do this. You can see to remove heatsink is very simple. So you don't need to stress yourself. It's very simple. Check this out. At the end of the video, you will know the reason and why the phone did not turn on. Please keep watching so that you will learn. Please don't fast forward the video. I want you to learn step by step. If you have any issue, any problem, you can let me know in the comment section. Thank you. I love you all. Check this out. I'll be done. Make sure you wait a little bit. After you put your sharp object, just wait a little bit and then you put your tweezers. The next thing is for you to carry up and you're good to go. Very simple, no stress. Very simple, no stress. Very simple, no stress. Check this out. I'll be done. Check this out. I'll be done. By the technician. Very nice. Check this out. Very nice. Now we have exposed everything. We have exposed the IC and the capacitor. Now it's open. Let's troubleshoot and fix the issue. Okay? Let's troubleshoot and fix the issue. Check this out. I'll be done. By the technician. Check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. I clean it very well. I'm checking if there's any physical damage. I check it very well. Let me remove from the PCB stand and check it very well. You can see I check if there's any physical damage. Check it very well if there's any physical damage. Check this out. There's no physical damage, as you can see. So the next thing is for me to connect my DC power supply again. I want to test something. It's important. So let me connect it again. Check this out. I'll be done. If you have any question concerning this, you're free. You can let me know. You are free. If you have any question concerning this, just let me know. Tell me something in the comment section. Okay? My dear technician, tell me something in the comment section. Check this out. I take my time to check for physical damage. The next thing is for me to start testing capacitors. I take my time to do this. I check capacitors. I check diode. I check any component around there to be sure everything is reading perfect. It's reading good because I don't want any issue. I want this phone to start up. I check very well. After that, nothing is wrong. The next thing is for me to get this heatsink removed. This is where the charging IC is and the backlight drivers. So I will get this heatsink removed. First thing, I get this paste removed so that I'll be able to do the work perfectly without any issue. My dear technician, if you have any question, you're free to let me know. If you have any question at all, check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. Check this out. This is troubleshooting. This is what we call troubleshooting. You take your time to find out the problem, to figure out, to know where the problem is coming from, whether it's this or that, is from charging IC, is from this or that. Okay, so please wait. Okay, I just removed the heatsink now. Check this out. I will be done. I'll be done. I check for physical damage. There's no physical damage, my dear technician. Everything here is clean. Everything here is clean. Let me use my brush and brush it. Let me brush it very well. Check this out. Everything here is clean. My dear technician, please wait. Please wait. If you have any question, you can ask me. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section. Check this out. I'll be done. Check this out. I'll be done. I take my time to brush it very well because I want to see if there is any component that is faulty, that have physical damage. Take my time to brush it because I want to see it. Okay, check this out. After that, I check it very well to see if there is any component that is faulty. My dear technician, check this out. Everything is looking clean and neat. Everything here is looking clean and neat. My dear technician, this video is part by part. Okay, so this is part 1. Please go and watch part 2. Okay, I will drop the part 2 very soon. Please go and check it. Watch part 2. Thank you. Watch the part 2.